है आपको सबसे पहले लोगों के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस जताने के लिए, उनके अंदर जो अलगाव का जो फीलिंग जो बढ़ा हुआ है उसको कम करने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर्स आप लागू करिए, जिसके अंदर 5 बातों के बारे में आपको कुछ आश्वासन देना होगा। पहला, ये पैलेट गन्स का सवाल बंद करिए, उसको ऑल्टरनेटिव बताया गया कि कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव आया पावा शेल्स के नाम से, और उसको भेज रहे हैं, और हर दिन एक बैच जो है ये शेल्स जा रहे हैं, पैलेट गन्स को विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। अच्छी बात है, लेकिन इसके बारे में अनाउंसमेंट करिएगा। दूसरी बात, जहां तक जो लोग घायल हुए हैं, जो जिनके परिवारों में से मौत हुई है, उन लोगों के लिए प्रॉपर कॉम्पनसेशन, रिहैबिलिटेशन वगैरह हो। तीसरा, अगर जो ही एक्सेसेस अगर कमिट किए हैं, जो एलिगेशंस है, उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट करिए और इन्वेस्टिगेशन के आधार पर जो कार्रवाई होना है वो करिए। चौथा, आफस्पा के बारे में अब फिर से दोबारा हम बात रखें, सिविलियन एरिया से उसको हटाए या इसके बारे में कुछ आश्वासन दे। और पांचवा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन के लिए इतने सारे स्कीम अनाउंस किए हैं जो अभी तक कोई लागू नहीं हो रहा। कश्मीरी यूथ के लिए एक प्रोडक्टिव एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए एक एवेन्यूज का अनाउंसमेंट करें। ये 5 कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर्स आप करिएगा। दूसरे ट्रैक पे आप एक अनकंडीशनल पॉलिटिकल डायलॉग विद ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स, डायलॉग विद ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स की बात ये रेजोल्यूशन में आई, और ये डायलॉग अब आप इसको सुलझाने के लिए करिए ताकि इमीडिएटली नॉर्मलसी रिस्टोर हो और आगे को एक परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन हो। दूसरी बात, अभी सार्क में अगर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जा रहे हैं तो पाकिस्तान के साथ इंडो पाक डायलॉग का रीस्टार्ट करिए। अब ये दोनों दूसरे ट्रैक पे आपको करना होगा, और ये पैकेज है जो हम बता रहे हैं। इस तरीके से अगर चलेंगे तो हमारे हिसाब से सिचुएशन को कंट्रोल करके एक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग सोल्यूशन की ओर भी हम पहुंच सकते हैं।
While the resolution says that talk to all the stakeholders,
सरकार का ये बातें रखी हमने, बहुत सारी बातों पर किसी भी बात पर सरकार ने ना नहीं कहा, जो हाँ कहा सरकार ने वो इसके अंदर शामिल है। लेकिन ये जो खबरें जो आ रही है कि राज्य सरकार हमें नाकाम रही है या उसके बारे में कुछ कार्रवाई हो, ये सब बातें हमने स्पष्ट रूप से कहा भी वहां पे कि आज के समय पर ये इस तरह की डिस्टेबलाइजेशन की बात कहो तो इससे ज्यादा नुकसान हो। तो अभी इस वक्त सब स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ बातचीत का इनिशिएटिव आपको सेंटर से लेना है, वहां से स्टेट को लेना है। अब ये शुरू करिए, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर्स अनाउंस करिए, और हम मानते हैं कि ये दोनों काम साथ साथ अगर होंगे तो एक्चुअली नॉर्मलसी की ओर हम पहुंच सकते हैं।
Despite the refusal by the separatists to meet you people, talk to you, you still think that they are stakeholders and should be talked to?
You see, the point is, they had taken a political position of saying when this violence is going on, they will not engage in any political dialogue. That's their position.
But the violence is still on.
So, but our point, we went to meet 5 of these leaders of the Hurriyat. We met 4 of them. One did not meet us. That we have not taken it as an insult to Islam. We knew that this particular leader is not going to meet us. But I insisted that we'll go to his house, only to tell the people of Kashmir that we are here extending our outreach. And I think that message has gone to the people, that we want peace through these political discussions, and that message going to the people is very important.
But at this time, there is talk in the government that the facilities extended to the separatists might be scaled down. There will be a review.
There's nothing of that sort that came up in the meeting. And in the meeting, in fact, the Home Minister was asked. We asked him. This is what appears in the media. He said nothing of that sort is being contemplated by the government.
That's what he said.
That is what he said in the all-party meeting.
In the statement, it is said that everybody wants that this education institutes, commercial establishments, and the government offices must. Is there any timeline which is given by the government that?
Do you see a possibility?
That is why, if you notice, that is along with an addition of saying at the earliest. Now, what that earliest means is when the situation comes to normalcy.
Any specific assurance or commitment from the government on any issue related to Kashmir has been given?
No, I mean, the government has said we have taken on board all that you have suggested. They have agreed with our suggestion that the idea is to appeal to the people of Kashmir to come back, to restore normalcy and to solve the problem through a political dialogue. That is the approach which I think we have succeeded in making the entire government and this meeting come to the understanding which is there in the statement.
And also to engage with all stakeholders.
Of the Jammu Kashmir government, the role of the Jammu Kashmir government in this entire crisis?
No, in fact, that issue was also discussed, and the government was also clear, and all of us were clear, saying that this is not the time to try and apportion blame. The time now is to act unitedly to restore normalcy and peace first, and that can be done only through the process of initiating a political dialogue with all the stakeholders.
But sir, did anyone raise this issue of government's failure, state government's failure? Did any of the delegates?
Not the delegates here.
Okay, sir.
We are there. Many of the delegations came to meet us. Naturally, they were expressing their local politics.
Sita, but after this meeting, will you say that this meeting eventually has displayed a great sense of across the party consensus as far as dealing with Kashmir is concerned?
I wouldn't say consensus in the sense, but I say a common minimum denominator.
Concern.
A common minimum denominator has been agreed upon, that this will be the thing, that what has been issued. But we are going beyond, saying that you also announce unilaterally this confidence building measures. And in fact, in the meeting I told them, you always go back to Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's Insaniyat, Jamhuriyat and Kashmiriyat. But remember, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee used these phrases, that was accompanied by a unilateral ceasefire by the central government, which was called the Ramzan ceasefire. And a few weeks later, the then Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Advani, met the Hizbul Mujahideen, and then the peace was restored. So mere phrase-mongering is not sufficient. Vishwas and Vikas. Vishwas has to come through engagement. It doesn't fall from, it's not a manna from heaven. That Vishwas has to be created through engagement. That is why we said this initiating of a political dialogue is important. Okay?
Well, that was Sitaram Yechury. They're also briefing the media after the meeting ended. Now, this is what the left wants. They want AFSPA partially revoked. They want talks with all stakeholders, holders like the Congress Party. Remember, Sitaram Yechury, of course, met a few separatists during their two-day visit to the valley. They also want a dialogue with Pakistan, perhaps to be initiated during the SAARC summit, where as of now we don't have a confirmation if the Prime Minister is going, but if he does, Sitaram Yechury says he should speak to Pakistan about what is happening in Kashmir. So